Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to fix a stereo audio clip that's only playing on the left or the right hand side with Audacity. It's totally free and really simple to do, so check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to Northern Viking Everyday. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ken and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing. It would really help me out. So today we're going to be showing you how to fix a stereo audio clip that's only playing on the left side or the right side, and we're going to show you how to do that for free in Audacity. So let's head on over to my desktop and show you how it's done. Alright, so I've got Audacity loaded up here, and if you're not familiar with Audacity, it's a free open source audio recording software. I'll put links below in the description for you if you do want to download it. It's available on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I've got an audio clip here on my desktop that only has recording on the left-hand side. So I'm going to drag that in here. And you can see it's a stereo audio clip with only sound on the left-hand side. I'll play that for you here. And watch up in the right-hand corner here, the meter here, you'll see it's only metering on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and play that. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a test for our Audacity training video. Alright, so again, that's only playing on the left-hand side. Now, a quick fix if you are having trouble with it recording only on one side, you could try switching it right here to a mono recording channel. So when you record, it records the same thing on both sides. That's one thing you could try to do to fix this. But let's go ahead and fix this audio track. So the way you do that, you're going to want to actually select this audio track. So over here, you're going to see a little select button on the left-hand side. If you go ahead and select that, the whole audio clip is going to be highlighted in blue. Now there's a little drop down here. It's quite small over on the left, and there's another drop down here. It says open menu. If you click on that, a whole drop down is going to pop up. There's one option here that says split stereo to mono. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And now it's going to split these two tracks. So now there are two different tracks. And we want to go ahead and delete this bottom track. So there's a little X here on the left-hand side, if you can see it, and it says close. So if we go ahead and hit close, it deleted that second track. So now this is one mono audio track, and I'm going to go ahead and play this, and you can hear now that it's going to be playing on both sides, and you can watch it in the meter in the top right hand corner that is coming out of both speakers. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a test for our Audacity training video. Perfect, and it fixed the problem for you there. So from there you can just go ahead and hit File, Export, and export as MP3 and to whatever you want that to be. So I'm going to just save it here, and I can overwrite the existing one that I'm replacing, and we are all good. Alright, so it's that easy to fix a stereo clip that is only playing on the left or the right hand side. So if this video did give you value, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.